Welcome. This quick guide shows how to enable Fifth Third Identity Alert on your mobile device. Step 1. Open the Fifth Third mobile app and sign in. Step 2. Tap the menu, then select Settings and Security. Step 3. Find Identity Alert under Alerts and Monitoring. Step 4. Toggle Identity Alert on and review notification preferences. Confirmation. You will receive a verification code. Enter it to confirm activation. Step 5. On desktop, sign into Fifth Third online banking at fifththird.com. Navigate to Profile, then open the Security Center to locate Identity Alert. Toggle Identity Alert on, choose email or phone for alerts, and save changes. You will see an on-screen confirmation and receive an email receipt for your records. If you suspect fraud, immediately contact Fifth Third and consider freezing affected accounts. Security tip: use a strong password, enable biometrics, and keep your contact details current.